I can tell by looking out the window that I'm gonna have my work cut out for me this morning. Vlogging with one hand, baby. That's how we do. So, because it snowed a lot outside, and I can see all the cars are covered with snow. Just literally covered. Inches upon inches of snow on the cars. And that's what's going on. It's New Year's Eve. And I gotta work. A shorter day, but I still gotta work. I always make sure that everything that needs to be turned off is turned off before I leave. That there's nothing left on the stove. So I'm at least protecting one hand, but my vlogging hand needs to be ready. Hashtag cold as a witch's tit. I almost fell flat on my butt. Thankfully, I didn't. And you got a bunch of obstacles, if you can see back there. Just a big pile of snow blocking the sidewalk because people didn't take care of their responsibilities like they should have and put the recycling bins and the garbage cans in the back. Thankfully, the iPhone 10 is waterproof. This is how much snow we got today. Well, overnight. This is how much snow we got overnight. As you can see, the sidewalk plows, they have little tiny, and here's the tractor prints from the sidewalk plows. They got it all over the place. They blocked me in on the sidewalk side, and then obviously the snow plows blocked me in on the road side. But that's why we put our windshield wipers up, to make sure they don't stick to the windshield. First thing we gotta do is get over these hills and get in the car somehow and get her started. Thank goodness for the modern convenience of being able to unlock your doors without actually putting a key in. But of course, the snowplows like to make things so much easier for people. All right, let's get her started. Then you get your shovel out of the back and you start shoveling. There we go. Put this puppy on the side, shut the door. That's how you clean off your car in the wintertime, like an absolute boss. I'm out of breath. I feel like I've exercised enough for a couple days, and let's do this. Let's get to work. Woo! Beautiful though, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful.